My morning routine is something that I've begun to focus a lot more on this year. I've been reading new books that help me to cultivate new habits and become a lot more aware of what I'm actually doing. Having the mindset to look at my own life and say, does this behavior really help me become the type of person that I wish to be? Or does this habit cast a vote against my desired identity? Something I began last year is intermittent fasting in efforts to improve my mental clarity, my gut health, my physical health, and my overall energy levels. Thank you so much to Fastic for sponsoring today's video. Fastic is an intermittent fasting app that has built a global community to be healthier and happier through fasting. Intermittent fasting helps to restore the balance in our body and improve our heart health, brain health, and reduce blood sugar levels by switching between fasting and eating on a regular schedule. I personally have enjoyed intermittent fasting because it has helped me become way more self-disciplined and self-aware on how my body feels with the food I'm consuming or the food I'm not consuming. My intermittent fasting journey has become so much easier with Fastic because it helps me to track when I'm fasting, how much water I'm drinking, my exercise, the daily steps that I'm taking, and even has a variety of meal ideas. If you all want to try out Fastic and take your overall health to the next level, check out the link in the description box and download it in your app store. You can use my special code EMA50 for 50% off of the Pro version, which offers accountability with fellow fasting buddies, expert guidance on specific health topics, and so much more. Even without the Pro version, you can still access many of the features with Fastic, and I highly recommend you all check it out. Thank you again to Fastic for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the link below to download this app that has changed millions of lives. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if it is not your first time. I am about to get ready for work. Today is a work day, so I figured I would go ahead and do like a little day in my life. I have not vlogged in so long for so many different reasons. I've been so sick and I've just been trying to take the time to really just recuperate, get my health together, because your girl was sick. I feel like I still am feeling some of the like remnants of that flu-like situation. So we're still laying low, but I figured I need to vlog for you guys because I love vlogging. A couple things have been added to the apartment, which I'm so excited. If you guys don't know, I moved a couple months ago, like 2 months ago, and moving is such a process in itself, but adjusting to a new place and just adding different things to make your apartment your own, key. So this I recently added to my shower. I absolutely love it. I wasn't sure if I would like something black in there. They did have like a white option, which I could have gone with the white option, but I kind of do like the black. Basically, it is just this shower organizer. I was getting really annoyed with, like, you know, this thing here. I can store some stuff, but I also wanted something in the corner to store shampoos, conditioners, body wash, scrubs, all of that. And then I also recently got this little basket, which is so nice. I got it from Target. So I want to put some books here, some, you know, of my bath stuff, because, you know, your girl loves, I love a good bath. I love a good bath, and yeah, all my stuff goes there. So these are some new additions that I definitely wanted to share with you all. And then I also got a new standing desk. If you all follow me on IG, and then you would know I got a standing desk. But if you've also watched some of my recent vlogs, you would know I've been looking for a desk that I could do work and stand. So I'm gonna show you guys that, but I'm gonna also get ready for work because I have a meeting very soon. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I have done so much clearing out my closet. I have donated a lot of clothes, which y'all have no idea. I've been trying to kind of revamp my whole wardrobe, which is just super exciting, but also a little bit time consuming. So I'm gonna change really quick and then meet you guys at my desk. Alright guys, so here is the wonderful desk I was talking about. I have really been obsessed with it. Shout out to my sister for even putting me onto this desk. It was $50 on Amazon. I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys to get it or purchase it. Check it out if you'd like. I personally don't like sitting down all day, so it's really great because I still have my sit down desk, which I have been sitting since yesterday, but I can alternate between sitting, standing, and doing work while standing. Like honestly, you guys, it's been such a lifesaver. You can also adjust it to your liking. I'll even like do some journaling out here. My work stuff is there. So yeah, I just thought I would show you guys because the work from home setup has definitely leveled up. I'm actually about to log on to work. Today is Thursday. The week has been quite busy. Last week was very busy. I feel like that's also why I didn't, you know, vlog, on top of just not feeling super great. Work has been picking up quite a bit, which I really enjoy. I like feeling busy, but you don't want to be too busy, y'all. You don't want to be too busy. I've been added to some new projects and it was just really exciting just to kind of see what I'm capable of. And you all know that I work for a global food company, so it's just been really cool to kind of see the different things that are taking place within the company and what I can get involved in and what I can also learn on top of having 6 a.m. meetings. It's been busy, but like I said, honestly, I've been really enjoying it. And if you guys don't know, I've been working on a project with the Asia region. So with that time difference, there are some moments where we meet and it's like super early in the morning, but it's later in the evening for them. So yes, that is what my week has been consisting of. I am about to hop on a meeting very soon. If you guys haven't seen some of my other videos, lately I've been doing a lot of data migration and looking at data for several, or not several, but like a lot of ingredients and substances that we're working with for the products. So basically right now what we're doing is looking at the additives. The additives include like color, flavoring, and things like that. And then the lifestyles. Halal certified? Is it kosher certified? Things regarding lifestyle. So that's been a project that I've been working on. Today I'm going to be doing that. I really need to kind of close in on that project, and then there's other stuff that I need to also focus on. I know a lot of you guys ask what I do on a daily basis, and it differs for sure just because of the nature of what I do and kind of the things that I'm working on. But it's super chill. I feel like you just have to be very detail oriented when it comes to working in regulatory. You're precise, like you gotta focus, you gotta know where you're putting things, and reading documents, making sure you understand them is a huge deal in regulatory. So I'm really learning a lot, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some work done. Check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, so it is currently the afternoon time, and as you can see I have my standing desk. That's typically what happens at the afternoon time of the day. I typically want to stand a little bit more just to help me push through the day. I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I don't want this vlog to be too long. If you guys would like to see kind of like what I do in a week or other like work vlogs that I've done, definitely check out the links down below. You guys can check out my channel. That's where you guys can see what else I've been up to. I am about to have a pretty chill evening. I am feeling a lot better, which is so great. One of my friends is actually in town this week, so I'm gonna go meet up with her later tonight, which is super exciting. If you guys like this video, definitely make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to check out Fastic. It will be linked down below. Fastic is the best intermittent fasting app that you guys can use at this time. I absolutely love it. As y'all can see, I've been drinking my water, so I'm gonna be logging my water so that I can make sure that I reach my goal today. So I will have a lot more work vlogs and a lot more sit down videos on the way. Comment below and let me know what videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.